Hello everyone. We have changed exhaust balance uh, pipe, whatever called is this, because this diesel directory got V6 engine. So one side to other side this hose comes. Very common problem. It will appear in future. This this thing is broken. It's leaking and too much sound. We are replacing it without removing the transmission down. We just undo the transmission housing, mount housing, and it's easy after this. Not much hard job. This is a new one we got from Wreckers. You're going to replace these three bolts. This side, all three bolts are from top. I removed the exhaust from here, so enough room. This side, a bit tricky, the top one, but not hard. I used all small ratchet and this kind of like small sockets. And this side also, the bottom bolt is from the back side. You can see, you can do this job and no one disturbing you. Shop is closed, just yourself. Nice and easy. Slowly do it. Try like no socket is slipping over the nuts, so they're not getting round. Then it will be hard. Just do it very slow and with concentration. You're not making any bolt like round, so we have to use like 6-point sockets like this, and do not use the sockets with more fins inside. I did it first time, so I thought I should make a video and upload on YouTube for my fellow friends if they encounter with this issue, so they know what to do. I was worried like I have to remove the transmission down, but we have done it without removing the transmission. There were small covers over here. I undo them like heat protectors, and all good. It will be easy to install back. Thanks for watching.